outside in the hallway in tech, making you your short recording on how to add a whole nother section on the horizontal axes for the total number per pack. So let's go through that real quick. Do this, I have to actually just extend the table back on the data sheet. So let's look at that. So this is where we graphed from, and I'm just going to take the word number per pack. I already brought it down. Be careful here. You want to bring down the average. So if you go up to the plane that was right here, average, right, was 16. I'm just going to type it, it's easier. Same thing for the peanut was 7. Then I'm going to copy and paste in the standard errors. It'll just be easier. That can go to the plane, edit, paste special. We're going to do values, number formats. Same thing down here. Let's copy and paste this one in. Edit, paste special again. Values and formats. So now we're ready to graph. So I go back to the graph, and all I want to do is tell Excel that the data we collected for here has one more value. So to do that, I do control click. For me, it's select data. I think for most of you, it's source data. And let's just look at this for a second. So if I click on the Y values, it tells you, if you go back, see this dotted line? It's telling you it's graphing this series across. We just need it to go one more. So you could do two things. You could delete this and reselect. But I'm actually going to go up to where it says G, because this goes from B, 34, to G, column G, 34. But I want it to go to H 34. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the G, put it in H. I'm going to do the same thing down here for the horizontal category. So I did that for the plane. I actually have to do the same thing for the peanut. Change this to, if you look, only goes to G again. Delete the G, put it in H. It's already changed there. Click OK, and you now have your number per pack. I know it kind of messes up the scale. That's one of the things you got to worry about showing, but it is what it is. One of the only things I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change the colors as well, because I don't want the blue to look like the blue. So I'm going to click on this one and make sure, again, just this one's highlighted. For fill, I'm going to make it, oh, that's border. I want fill. I'm going to make it black, I guess. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Not all of them, just one. I'm going to change the foreground to black. And then I'm going to save. I have to still go in and change the error bars. So if I double click on my error bars, I think I have to go back to chart design, add chart element, error bars, go back into the error bar menu, more error bar options. I'm going to reselect mine, I suspect. Yep. I could just change it here. So if I click on this, my error bars go from, I'm just going to select them again. They look wonky. I'm going to go from, that's for the plain one, because they weren't matching for some reason. I'm going to select them here. Oh. Click OK. I got the plain ones in. Now I got to do peanut. Let's go to error bars. Error bar options. Specify value. I want to do one standard up. So we'll select these ones. And one down. I'll select the same number again, including the number per pack. Click OK. And I now have error bars for both of these. Remember, this was statistically significant, and if you look, that's the biggest gap between them. I'm going to change the weights of my error bars while I'm here. Oh no, it came in right. So I'm going to save, and I'm done. And so should you guys be. So watch this video.